President Jonas Antonio Castro. Together with Executive Vice President Voltaire Tayan. And of course, our President of Marketing, Mario Garcia. And also our Vice President for Digital and Creatives, Paulo Arevalo. Our guests, the co-founders of New Moon PH, Michael Cordobes and Jara Go Cordobes. Together with New Moon PH founder and CEO, Jonathan Cizon Ramos. And of course, the brand ambassador of New Moon PH, Bella Padilla. Okay, so to mark the start of our partnership, let's now do the ceremonial signing. All right, representatives from New Moon PH and Miss Universe Philippines, please open your folder, get your pen, sign, and right after the signature, smile to our media friends that we have here in the room. All right. Don't forget to smile to our media friends that we have here in the room. 3, 2, 1. Smile.
Smiles naman dyan.
3, 2, 1, smile. Another one. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Smiles. Here.
Okay, so to officially close the partnership, we have here the president of MUPH.
One more po. Smiles. Smiles.
And there we have it. Congratulations, Miss Universe Philippines and New Moon PH. And right now we will have a short word from the CEO of New Moon PH, Jonas Cizon Ramos, and the Executive Vice President of MUPH, Voltaire Tayan.
Thank you so much for our media friends, for our candidates. You are guys so beautiful, sobrang ganda. Parang kung nasa labi kung pumasok na kayo. But I'm very happy to finally see you in flesh. And right now, we are very grateful for, of course, Mr. Jonas and the rest of the MUPH, President, Vice President, and all the officers for sealing a partnership with us. New Moon is a new brand. We just launched last June, last year, and our products is meant to celebrate womanhood. That's why when I knew that we are sealing a partnership with Miss Universe, I was very excited because finally we will have a bigger voice, and it's through you guys. And later we will explain the product that you guys are going to in the pageant, overall the pageant. And I know you guys will also be excited because this is one of the advocacy that we are doing. This is just not a product, but this is an advocacy and a campaign that we celebrate womanhood regardless if you have PCOS, hormonal imbalance, or anything that that is related to our womanhood. And thank you so much, candidates, and I hope you guys will have a fun time also celebrating womanhood with me. Thank you.
Would you like to repeat? Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, thank you to the media for being here. And thank you to New Moon. Actually, nung pumasok siya, sabi ko, nasa na sash mo? So, we don't just pick the sponsors na ka-align namin in their values. Kailangan maganda din, di ba? I'm gonna get in trouble for that. No, but definitely, New Moon, we're very excited to have you with us. And with Miss Universe Philippines, you know, you look at all guys right here, Miss Universe, but we are allies with the women. You know, it's not just the LGBTQIA that has allies, but the women, we are your allies because we know your issues. We know the things that you go through. And when you're going through them, you don't want to act you. That's why you will help you happier and glow, have a softer glow and a happier glow. And hopefully, I'm excited for you guys to hear the symposium later. And if you know the Zoom, they really are women's health partner. We haven't had anybody else like that. And that is something that we're very proud of and really excited. And we hope that through this partnership, that you're also able to spread the word in your provinces and Philippine societies throughout about what we do for all the women. Because it's something that I think before parang hush-hush minsan, and you know, somebody is having like a hormonal imbalance, you know, they don't talk about it or ignore it. But like with a lot of things these days, it's good to talk about it and it's good to address it. So we're hoping that you face. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Susan Ramos, the CEO of New Moon PH and Executive Vice President of MUPH, Voltaire Dayan. And moving forward to give her key message, please call on Ms. Bella Padilla, the brand ambassador of New Moon PH.
This afternoon. Hi everyone. I see so many beautiful faces today and a few familiar faces as well. I see my friends here in the crowd, and I'm super excited. I feel like I was just told this is the biggest batch of Miss Universe, and it's also the most inclusive batch. I'm so happy that Miss Universe has extended its requirements. We have women now with tattoos. I saw a woman earlier with a lovely tattoo on the collarbone. We have moms. We have people that are above the age limit that we had before. And I love that Miss Universe is also changing the times because it's 2025. And that's exactly what Union also is. We're here to help women change the dynamics and also cope with the stress of everyday life. Like, we know how hard life is externally already, so we should have partners for what's happening internally. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this symposium and good luck to all the candidates. I mean, I see so many, again, beautiful faces, so I'm excited to watch the contest. I want to see the Q&A. I want to see how you guys are going to handle the stress of, or the pressure of Miss Universe, but you're in good hands. So thank you so much.
There you have it once again, the contract signing between Miss Universe Philippines and New Moon PH. And now we will proceed to the second part of the event that talk about empowering women through hormonal health. She is an OBGYN. Let us welcome Dr. Cheryl Santiago Alagado.
Yeah. Okay, Tuesday group. Okay. Meron ba sa video? Si Jen ba? Si Jen? Okay, thank you, group 2. Thank you. Umuha na sila. Wait lang, group 3 na. Wait lang. Yo, go ahead, group 2. Baba tayo. Yan, dahan-dahan lang sa ano. Kasi may parang tayo. Okay, group 3, let's go. Kaya, piliwan. Okay, 5. Matanggal sila lang siya na nila sa baba. Sobrang ko. Marami sila. Okay. Chanel, Quezon Province, Kirina, okay yan. Kirina, baba ka pa. Okay. Quezon City, I think you have to go up. And ito, matangkad dahil ito, matangkad din. Okay. One day mo sa pala. Yan. Gusto na tayo ulit. Yan. Okay po. Smile mo, ilang brands eh. At baka mas okay na itong arrangement. O yung grupo na, nakita nyo na tayo ha. Smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much, group 3. Okay, wala na, group 3,